I hope all you are doing great, and I hope all you are doing had a very good great time. The last day we had a celebration of Happy New Year 2006, and you can easily see now 2026 is start, and now we are reaching in AI world. Look at other countries are growing in AI, artificial intelligence, but India keep it moving well, and many apps. If you've seen in like today's content creation video, and many ads when we saw in a TV, when we see ad, then we can easily see that how can artificial intelligence overtaking the market. So it's good. Now we see that what going to be happen, because you can easily see that after look, it's no doubt, and no, we can easily say that content is the king in the next 4 or 5 years. We can easily see that whatever the men who are making in content creation is a very great and good decision, because it's really important that we are making a content for YouTubers. And so first of all, I'm just want to say that please like, share and subscribe my channel, so it will boost me and it will motivate me to keep me to make more content for my audience. And I know my audience gonna be 15 or 20 or 25 students, so they can easily improve their skill, they can easily speak English, so it's better, and it's for your good. So if you have seen my last two videos, then you can easily see that I made a video about how gonna we use tense. Look, it's simple past, past and future. And if we talking about simple past, simple present, simple past and simple future, and whatever we are past perfect, past future and past perfect continuous. So this kind of word we are using, that how gonna we use I, we, you, are, we, you, us. So this is how gonna we use in a tense. And I also talked about verb, that how gonna we use verb, how can we use word to spelling, and how can we use if one form to other form, because there are 5 forms or there, that one second, third, fourth or fifth form. So we can easily say that how gonna we use it. So here you can see that today I'm talking about future perfect. Look, it's like look, you can easily see that I'm speaking very gently and I'm speaking very slowly, so my audience gonna start look why I'm speaking in a full content creation of English, just because that my audience gonna improve their skill. My audience gonna habitual and subconsciously attached to this language, because it's really important you are subconsciously attached to this language. Otherwise it always always gonna be, you are worried about that how that people gonna be laugh at you, people gonna judge you. So it's all are the bullshit thing. You think you can think so. I don't think so. You should care about that, what people gonna see, what people gonna care. I mean, who care? I mean, 150 crore billion people living in India, and who cares what you are doing and how can you speaking. If you are a good English speaker, then you can easily survive. And if you are not good English speaker, then you know very well that how your reputation will be ruined, and how people gonna see at you. Like if you have seen the tier 1 city, tier 2 city, tier 3 city, you can easily see the difference, that how Mumbai, Bangalore and Kerala people are judging to the world. And if you go into the north and south zone, like UP, Rajasthan, then you can easily see the difference. So this is how it works. Look, as I teacher and as I your host and as I a good as well. First, I am really telling you, just sightseeing whole India. Yes, it's really important. First, if you just sightseeing and visiting whole India, then it will gonna a tremendous experience gonna you have. You also first you gonna be recognized that how India and in people works. I mean, look at the village, look at the cities, how the people are behaving each other. Village people how they act each other, and in tier 1 city, tier 2 city, they how to act each other. So it gonna learn you so much. And you can easily see that I have seen any kind of people. I just I just have an experience to sit with there, to talk with there, to talk with, I mean, different kind of. And there are, you can easily see that over 3,000 languages speak in this country, and over 3,000 culture and living in this country. So you can easily have a great experience if you visit whole over India. Just for months, visit in train and just go out your home and just see the world and see the people and their behave something. You gonna be automatically it will be driven yourself, it will be boost yourself, and it will be lifetime experience you gonna get, and you can easily gonna be a very successful person in your life. So yes, I am here, I am talking about the future perfect, that how future perfect works. Look here, I take some example here. So I will 4 or 5 times I will repeat for you. You will have finished your syllabus by the end of next month. By the time I reached the station, the train will have left. Formula plus, look at this formula gonna be used. Formula plus the subject will have shall V3 object. Look, this is the verb form. The subject will have shall, and verb third form, and this is object. By the time I reach the station, the train will have left. By the time I reached the station, the train had moved. You can easily see that. Look how gonna be used will have, shall have, and this is I, we, you, are, we gonna use will, and he, she, it, we gonna use shall. So you will have finished your syllabus by the end of next month. By the time I reach the station, the train will have left. This is the formula, and by the time I reach the station, the train will have left. Look, I know that I repeat this formula, but so don't worry, I will improve that, and I will next time I'll watch. By the time I reached the station, the train had left. So this is how you gonna use future perfect. Look guys, it's very simple, and it's very reality that I will write here some sentence, and then I will why I'm not translating in Hindi, just because I just want that my audience wanna speak in a English to Hindi. Look, this is because you have to practice yourself. You have to practice yourself at least 20-30 minutes. Just watch my everyday content and just practice. Just watch my content 15-20 minutes, 10 minutes. Look, right now I'm trying that I'm making 15 or 20 minutes each and every day. You can easily see. So just watch my content every day. Look, there are many content creators who wants to speak English, but you can easily see that they always teach you that how you gonna speak in a Hindi to English. I don't think so any content creator, it will be rare. It will be very rare that any content creator who speak in English and want that their audience gonna growing very fast, very improve easily. So all their content creator, you can easily see that they are speaking in Hindi to English. They are translating Hindi word to English. But I am trying to full video of content in English. So my audience gonna be attached to this language. This is what I'm doing. And secondly, I'm saying I just want to monetize my channel. yes, I really want to monetize my channel, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. And guys, secondly, look at, if just watch my each day, just watch my 15 or 20 minutes video. And second, just make yourself comfortable. Just make any essay like cow, cowboy, how your parents are toxic. Look, I am truly am saying that I don't remember who's gonna my parents. I mean last time, I'm so you, I mean what they are, what their habit, what their behavior, what they are complex. I mean your neighbor, I mean your the toxic, I mean neighbor and your cousin. You can easily just talk about yourself. It will, that, I mean who's gonna understand? You can easily see that who's gonna understand that what you are talking about. They know nothing. If you, so just look, this is how you gonna speak in English. Look, I am no, it's are damn funny, and it's becoming funny that I'm giving you this kind of suggestion. But what you can say, look, don't take too much headache on your head, and don't be panic too much that how your lives keep moving, how your life's gonna be work. Just always be, just take a mirror, front of mirror, just all the toxic environment and all the toxic thing you've seen in your life, just talk in English. This is how you're gonna speak English. Look, this is the best and simple formula which I can give you. This is how you're gonna speak in English, and this is how you're gonna work. Just ignore them. Just ignore like they are not in exist in this world. They are not in this world. So, and you don't want to face their, don't want to see their face. Okay, no problem. Just always be calm, be relaxed, and be happy, and just listen to song, just Diljit Dosanjh song, and be calm, be happy. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.